Alright, so what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy XAU Mari. So for today's video, what we're gonna be doing, I tried to do some back testing, but the market wouldn't let us do no back testing today. So today is basically gonna be a review video. And we're basically be going over a video that I never posted. And this is from 2025, December 12th. But what we're basically gonna be doing is we're gonna be reviewing it, and I think I lost this trade or I won this trade. And I basically we're gonna see what I could have did better and the things that I could have did. I could have executed better, or the things that I did poorly that I can learn from now. So we're gonna go ahead and review this video. I feel like this would be a good video for most of you guys because you can see how my mindset is when I'm actually trading. Because I want you to understand that the physical, and the how do I explain it? The psychology behind trading is something that needs to be studied. I feel like that's something that everybody needs to see. So I don't remember if I won this trade. I don't remember if I lost these trades, but we're gonna go ahead and see today, and we're gonna go get it figured out.
All right, so what's good, man? It's your boy XAU Mar. Basically, finna be marking up my charts with y'all because I really don't be doing it. So right now it's currently 7:58. As y'all can see at the bottom right here, right there at 7:58. So before we get into that, I do want to just show y'all what I've been doing for Top Step.
So my mic was pretty low in this video.
Right now, currently at a 67 win percentage, average winning trade 178. Now for me, other people might be higher, right? But for me, I want to keep it as realistic as me replacing my job, right? So if I was working a job, I wouldn't even be making $178 a day. So I think this is pretty good for a beginner. You get what I'm saying? And I'm keeping it realistic with myself. So let me just launch my top step real quick because we gonna get in the trade today. I really was trying to stay away from the trade, but the real reason why I'm gonna get into a trade today is because number one, someone told me like once you're winning, you should always win big. So if you're on a
Yeah,
streak, you should keep
y'all
going.
know I say that a
That's
lot. Once you're
basically what
winning,
he's
you should
saying.
always win big. Like
Yeah.
that's something I'm always big on. Is once you're winning, bro. Once you know that, okay, you're already winning the trade. You're already 60% winning in the trade. Why would you cash out when you know that the next drop off spot is right above it? So it's like when you're winning, bro, hold your trades through. Go ahead and win through the entire process. Like take the W, take the win. You feel me? Don't cut yourself short of the win when the win's not even over. And that's a lot of the times what I've done. I've cut myself short of a win because I'm like, you know what, this win is good enough. And this is a double-edged sword. You know what I mean? Sometimes people see $100 in the market and they don't take it. But me, I feel like you have to be confident when you're trading. You have to have that mentality more so like I know what the market's gonna do. You know what I mean? Because when you're going into the market and you're thinking, I know what the market's gonna do, it's showing me the structure. When you go down 60% or when you go down 30% on your trade, you're not so much worried about the number. And that's another thing I want you guys to understand. Do not think about the money. The money will kill you. I was killed like that in the beginning. Bro, I lost $7,000 to trading last year. 7,000 on top of everything else that I lost. So you guys should understand why I said this is the revenge tour. And just don't think about the money aspect, bro, when you're coming into trading. Just genuinely learn the skill and the money will come.
Um, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm on a winning streak, so I'm gonna keep doing what I do best, and that's winning. So if we go down here and we look, where am I at? Where am I at? Where am I at? All right, so I had messed up on the 15th, right? Now this trade right here on the 15th was really messed up because of two reasons, right? And the real reason why I was messed up is because of me. I didn't take my time. I was over leveraging, not even just over leveraging. I was just trying to figure the app out. So I lost that trade. Do I still count it as a loss? Yes, because at the end of the day, it still took money from me, so it's still a loss. So on the 15th, lost $2. Um, the way I like to look at things, bro, is win or lose, we're not looking at this number. You get what I'm saying? We're not looking at this number at
I tell
all.
you guys that
So
all the time.
let's say I lose. Let's say for some people losing $2 isn't a lot, right? For me, I still take it serious because it's still a L. So I'm not looking at the dollar amount, right? I'm looking at the L. And for me, I don't like taking L's. So that's I don't like this red on my screen. So today we coming in the market and we definitely taking a W today, bro. We manifesting it and like my girl be saying, man, and God's will be done. So let's do it. So on the 15th,
Don't
took a
got it,
L.
bro, no more.
16th, we bounced back 240, 242,
Single as hell.
and then on the 17th we did
Heartbroken.
456. And like I said, look at the trades I'm taking, y'all boys. So I want y'all to kind of like have it like this. I'm not taking 17 trades to make $200. I took 3 trades, $200. 2 trades, $400.
And
You
that's
get what I'm
another
saying?
thing. It's another thing. I want everybody to understand. I need you guys to understand. You don't want to be over trading. I would say the max trades that you should be doing in a day, let's say if you're over trading, you're over leveraging, bro, 10 to 15 is a max, bro. If you go 20 trades just to make $300, you're doing something wrong. Look at my trades. The first day, I did 1 trade. Second day, I did 3 trades. The third day, I did 2 trades. You feel me? Like, y'all have to see this. This is like, it's proven itself. 3 trades, $240. 2 trades, 456. That's someone when you can identify, hey, he's a real trader. He knows exactly what he's doing.
You guys need to be following your rules.
Mind you, I made $700 in 1, 2, 3. That was 3 days. So when I tell y'all about me trying to go on this 4 month all grind making 50K, bro, I know it's possible for me. It may not be possible for you. It may not be possible for somebody next door. But at the end of the day, I believe in myself and I know where bro, like I told y'all in the beginning, people are gonna start to hate me. For what reason? Is because I feel like I'm supernatural. And what I mean by that is I feel like there's not a lot of things that can stop me. If you guys know John Jones, you need to do your research on John Jones. I feel like I'm a living bro. I don't know why, bro. I feel like I'm a exact replica of John Jones, bro. Can't be stopped. Always in his own head. Just simply a different type of beast. That's literally what I am. Like I'm a different beast when it comes to this. So for some people, it may not be possible, but for me, I sit up here and made $700 in 3 days. So I know it's possible. 700 is damn near close to 1,000. So if I can make $1,000 in 4 days, you tell me how long it takes for me to get to 50K.
So we're gonna make this trend line, right? The trend line is gonna be right here. And that's going to
Me
be
making my
basically the
trend
booking
lines.
for price. So it lets us know every time price got to this trend line, it continued to bounce. So if price was ever to pull back down, we know price is potentially to go back up. So we did that on a daily time frame. Now we're going to go down to the 4 hour, do the same thing. Do the same thing. And at the same time we're doing that, we're going to be looking for higher highs and higher lows, right? So this is going to let us know
I'm
our
not gonna lie,
breakaway
at
points
this
for
point in the
structures that we
market,
usually
bro, it
trade
was
off of,
so
horizontal
tricky for
breaker
me. Like
structures and some other
I don't
coin
know why
formations.
December was so
But 9
bad,
times out of
bro,
10,
but
it's
I
market
couldn't I
structure is
couldn't
what we trade.
decide if the
So
market was gonna go up or the
let
market
me
was
show
gonna
y'all
go
what we
down.
had.
It was really a tough week for me, bro.
Boom,
Like it was
boom,
bad. December was really bad.
boom,
I couldn't tell what it was doing, bro.
boom,
It was, and then on top of that,
boom,
this account right here that I'm that
boom,
that we're going over.
and let's
I
just
don't know
say
if this
boom.
is the trade where I lost everything, but at a point in this trade
All right.
in this video, I think I blew
So
my
boom.
account.
So if
So,
anybody else
or
can
it
see
was
this,
I
right?
didn't record me blowing my account. I
Double
had got.
top.
You'll
Let's
see,
just
you'll
look up
see,
what
you'll
a double
see.
top is,
But
right?
just know I blew this account for sure. I blew this account for sure.
Double
So
top trading.
it was bad, bro. Because I was so confident going into this one, and then
Mm-hmm.
I've never got
All right.
another Top Step
So
account
y'all
after
see
this
this,
one. So
right?
I'm just waiting for me to get the
Double
money
top.
so I can go ahead and get another one, and we'll
This
start the
is what
process
is
over again.
building right now.
And like I said, I want to
And
watch
I
this
don't know if
video
I'm
for
the
the
only
simple
one who's
fact
seeing
that
this, but let me just go ahead and delete
I'm
this line
watching my
for y'all real
mistakes
quick.
play out. So the next time I
Y'all see
get into
this?
that same
Is
position, I
anybody
know
else
what I can
seeing
do
this right
better.
here?
You know
This
what I mean?
formation? That pattern? You get what I'm saying? So now it's time for us to execute. Once we see this pattern right here, what do we see? What is this? Mmm,
Double talk.
double top. What did it do out the double top? Bink, bank, bink, shot down. You feel me? So look, now this is a small double top. Bink, bank, bink. You feel me? Y'all feel what I'm saying? And even if it does come back down here, we still can take it to go back up because what? It didn't break this trend line. So why wouldn't we take it? You get what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and drop back my trend line for y'all.
But let me see.
Now that we marked up this 4 hour breaker structure, right? We did get an impulse to the upside, right? And when I mean impulse,
So we were
it
basically
was
betting on
this
price to
right
come
here.
down,
So as we
come
can
back
see,
into that.
this high It's higher
4 hour
than its
break of
previous
structure
high, so
retest and then
that's
shoot
already
back
a break
up.
of
The
structure.
market was gonna go up. I marked up my chart, and then look what happened. I made 1,400 in one day. So you guys are gonna hear the live audio call with me and my homeboys. We were in Discord and we were all basically going back over it.
No, bro, that's crazy. I got 300, bro. That shit actually my take profit. Yeah.
So
Wait,
look,
wait,
so
wait. What
look.
you was trading? What you was trading?
God, no. Holy fuck. Yo.
Wait, what?
Oh, that's what you just, bro. That's what you just made a band off of.
Exactly that move. You seen it?
Holy shit. Yo. Bro, my shit took out at. Okay, you see let me see.
So this was crazy, bro. This is a crazy
My
moment. I was damn near right there
it was
to
like,
my goal
when was this?
of this right here,
Okay,
3K.
do you see the high of like
And look at my win percentage. I'm still above
Hold
average.
on,
Look at
hold on.
this
Let me.
play, bro. I literally said that what was the market gonna do? I said the market wants to go up. However, it has to come down, correct itself to get that momentum to go back up. And so when it came down and corrected itself and hit that line, I already knew that it was trying to grab liquidity. So as soon as it did that, made that first move, I had that impulse and I took it. Now, when I keep telling everybody to win big, I cut myself short about right here. When price started to pull back down, I cut myself out and I still made 1,400. But just imagine if I would have let the trade ride out to right here, if I would have never, if I would have just moved my stop loss up to right here, still would have had 1,400 if it came back down. But if I would have just let the play trade out all the way to here, I don't want y'all to look at this number because this wasn't an accurate number. I was trading on a different platform. But when this went up, if it would have got to right here, bro, I think my account would have been passed right there. I probably been at like 5 bands right there. But the simple fact that I didn't take my time, the simple fact that I didn't let it play out is what happened.
850.
and we do everything.
Yeah.
We were like, yo, we're just gonna put a trade in, put a stop loss and take profit, and go get what we need to get done.
Days, 2,100 in 4 days, with a 58 win percentage and a 60 win percentage for trading. Right now, this trade was a little bad for a couple reasons. Number one, and I'm gonna call my own stuff out so nobody else has to do it. So you guys can learn from my mistakes and what I did wrong. You get me? So right here, boom. The mistakes that I made was yes, I made all of this in 4 days. I did that. Congratulations. However, I took 17 trades just to get to 1,400. You feel me? And for my monthly P&L, I was at 2,100. That's my rent, gang. That's rent. That's literally a whole month of rent in 4 days. So I definitely think I can accomplish the goals that I have set out for myself. I know I can. You know what I mean? But this was in 17 trades, and I want to limit it down to me being able to do this in 1 to 2 trades. And really, I want to be able to do this in one trade. Like once I start doing this in one trade, I'll probably be on here for like 2 days, 3 days, make 3 bands, and then I won't be on here again. You feel me? So that's just where I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get to that point where I can do stuff like this. And
Oh,
so
okay, 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 okay. Your stepdad.
it was rough, man.
This man makes like.
It was rough, man. Like even look at it. Market shot up. Now it's trying to shoot back down. It's obviously going to come down here to retrace and then get the momentum to go back up. But I wasn't thinking that. You feel me? I was like, nah, I can't lose my money. So I cashed out a long time ago.
London is. You get what I'm saying? Cause it's down or you get it.
No, now, like it's not. But if you just like
And the
Yeah.
market continued to
when
go
you were
up.
at South Tech, he was still the same way. He was talking to like
Yeah.
like the 24th, the 25th, and the 26th.
2,100. 2,100 in 4 days.